my favorite episode of all episodes. Hello my darling Fumi Nation, how are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you guys are so very welcome. How are my Naija babes? How na dey? Adebisuna. I can't believe that we are here and we have an entire juicy, yummy series of what the Real Housewives of Abuja. Congratulations to the 6 ladies. I watched the first episode and congratulations. It is so wonderful to get to know a little bit of each and every one of you. I love the episode. I love the cinematography. I love how individual you are. And the only thing that I can say so far is that the music is a bit loud and it's a little bit overpowering, because the characters are powerful as they are. Other than that, it's just episode 1. So I think it's a situation where we just have to talk about the girls, okay? So the first girl up that came up onto the episode, Miss Tutupai. Miss Tutupai is cute. She's adorable. And she says that she's a serial dater. You go ahead, mama, do your thing. I really believe that you should date and date and date until you get the right guy, because if you are what you're showing me, you seem to be very confident, you seem to know what you are doing, then you have to find a guy that is on your level, mentally, emotionally, financially stable. Then he becomes your partner and he can be your partner for life. So I enjoy the fact that we are at a stage now where it's really comfortable for you to go out there and say, you know what, I'm trying to date, I'm trying to find my man, and it is what it is. So that was her. Then we had beautiful Samantha. Samantha is very zen. And Samantha, if I got it right, Samantha is the mother of 4 children. She has triplet girls. And she's very zen and she's very calm. She had some kind of Bond theme party. And she showed up 2 hours late. I'm under the impression that it was traffic, and I'm under the impression that there's going to be a lot of lateness in this episode. And I don't know if I got it right or wrong, but Princess Jekoko came to the event with her mother, and she was like, no, come and feed my mother before we start praying. And Samantha was chill. She was like, you know what, 1, me 0 for now, as in I will get you later. So she gives me that energy that you know what, I don't forget anything and I will come back with you. Beautiful figure, and she has her hands in many pots. And so I thought, okay, Mama, do your thing. I live and I love. Then we had Princess Jekoko, and she seemed okay too. She seemed okay too, and she says that she's a brand influencer. She has her husband, she has her son, they create content, and she does her thing as well. She is also the managing director of Sefcon Group of Hotels, and she's got her 2 beautiful energetic boys. I think she's got 2 energetic children, and she loves to create content. So we had her as well. Posharella, and Posharella, she was the DJ or the MC for Samantha's party, the Bond party. And she says that she also does a couple of things. She makes her bags. She's got her hands in many pots. These girls are boss girls. They're CEOs. They're doing their thing. She's unapologetic. And I loved her outfit. I think hers was one of my favorite outfits when she was sitting down and she was talking. I think hers was one of my absolute favorite. And again, she's unapologetic. She has that very strong personality. And it is what it is with her. We had then, yes, we also have Comfort. Comfort has a mohawk. I think she's a lawyer. Yeah, she's a lawyer. She's a social commentator. She's a travel blogger. And she did not mind to go over to Arafa's pool dancing. She said, you know what, you're going to try something. You're going to be different. And Comfort considers herself to be very opposite in stuff that she does. That she's mild one way and she's strong the other. Her father has passed away, and she's very close to her mom, and her mom and her had like a little tete-a-tete conversation. And I like the mohawk. I like the mohawk. Again, I think that she's very fun. She actually turned out to be one of my favorites. I just liked her. I liked the person. I like the person that she is. She came across as someone who's prepared to try everything once. And I thought that was lovely. And she has her own little group of friends, her little circle. And she went to her circle of friends to kind of tell them, guys, I am on this kind of reality show. So there'll be other 6 women that I'll be hanging out with. She seemed grounded to me. That's another thing that I liked. So that was Comfort Booth. And then we had Arafa. Arafa, who I think she married her husband when she was a teenager. She has children, and she has this pole dancing class that she does. And she wants to be free, and she's very liberated. And she has a blonde mohawk. Again, I like it. I think you should always express yourself, and you should be the best version of you. That is what makes you unique. And these are the 6 women that we have that are really going to turn tables for us. And I cannot wait to see what they're going to give us. I've never been to Abuja. I'm trying to remember, have I been? Did I pass through? I don't think so. I don't think I've been to Abuja. But from what I saw of Abuja, it looks very clean, looks very wide. It gave me that kind of Texas vibe. I will say that they have to have more extras or background people. I noticed that when Samantha had her party and they were dancing, it was just the cast. They will have to add more. It was the same thing for Real Housewives of Lagos. You need to add more. I don't know, maybe they were doing it during lockdown or it's a budget situation. I don't know. But the girls are strong personalities, and I have learned from Real Housewives of Lagos that you have to give it time. You have to give the entire episode time. And let us see the girls really come out in their colors and see what they are working with. But so far, so good. I am happy that I can come back to my Niger roots. For those of you that are asking, my father's Nigerian and my mother is the Gambian. So I come from 2 countries in West Africa. I'm proud and I live for it, and I'm happy that we're having this African franchise out there. You guys, do not forget to tell me what you would love me to review. I reviewed every single episode of The Real Housewives of Lagos, and I intend to do the same thing with Real Housewives of Abuja. Welcome on board, girls. Lovely to see you. Give us your best and make it memorable. Alrighty? Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification button, and you guys, let's get it popping in the comment section. And I will see you all when? I will see you all sooner than later. All of my love, darlings. Real Housewives of Abuja. How now? How body? I'll see you all soon. All of my love. Bye. Mwah.